I am Bryan Barnett, Mayor of the City of Rochester Hills, and as always, thanks for watching. Well, an exciting night tonight as we're out here at Rochester High School for the big Rochester High School Rochester Adams football game. It's a big night, circled on everybody's calendar months in advance as these two teams clash as they have for many, many years for a real big battle for city pride. Well, we're going to take you around the game today for some unique perspectives to see what makes this game so interesting to so many people. So tonight, enjoy it. It's Friday night under the lights.
For the Falcons.
I just enjoy supporting the local school teams. We have some kids that go here and hanging out with our kids because they like to come here and hang out.
It's a rivalry of the kids. They all go to school together. They play in high school together. Sometimes kids play on travel teams together, so it's good to see them come out in high school after being together for 10 years of playing in other environments. So now they're together last year, maybe first year, playing together at a high school level.
We're here at one of the biggest sporting event evenings in our city's calendar year. It's the big Rochester Adams Rochester football game. Here with Superintendent Dr. Robert Shaner. What's this night mean to you?
Oh, it's just such a great event for the community, Mr. Mayor, and let's not forget that Stony Creek's got their homecoming this evening as well. So it's just a great night for sports and Rochester Community Schools in the greater Rochester area. And of course, we have Wounded Warriors this evening as well.
Yeah, you have a lot of students with American flags. Just had a check presentation. Tell me about that.
Well, the kids spent the week raising money for the Wounded Warriors project, and approximately $1,000 was raised to contribute to that organization, which supports combat wounded veterans.
Now I'm going to ask you a tricky question. Who are you rooting for tonight?
Oh, we're just rooting for the entire community, Mr. Mayor. You know how that goes.
Good answer.
Great competitive football and great experience for all of our kids in our community.
Superintendent's doing a great job. We're going to talk to some more people, see if we can get a good answer on who's going to win tonight. Stay tuned.
Thank you.
All right, so we found a couple here, just a random couple. Actually, you might recognize them. This is Mike and Julie Webb. Of course, Mike's on the city council. And this is a big night for you guys because, Mike, you graduated from...
I graduated from Adams, class of 96.
You graduated from...
Rochester, class of 95.
Rochester. Okay, so you guys kind of got this house dividing thing going on. So how does this game work out? You come every year?
Yeah, we try to come most every year, and sometimes we usually sit on the home side because we get here a little late and the crowd's really big. But yeah, so we just kind of.
So who's going to win this year, Julia?
Oh, definitely Rochester.
Rochester, you sure about it?
They got the stuff. Yeah.
Have you seen the score?
Yeah,
It's early.
There's
early.
a lot of football left.
A lot of football left. That's a typical Rochester Falcon answer. Because Adams has won the last few, haven't they?
I think so, and certainly when I was there, we won our fair share. But Adams, it's been kind of a one-sided rivalry, but I know Rochester's getting better. So.
And who's James rooting for tonight?
I don't know.
Stony Creek. Well played. Let's see if we can find some more fans in just a few minutes. Hang tight.
Wood with the quarterback keeper.
We've got a very important person here. This is Dave Sokol. Dave has two kids playing for, obviously, Adams, the Highlanders. Tell us about your boys. What position do they play?
Thanks, Ryan. Mitchell is a sophomore. He plays free safety and a little bit of receiver on special teams. Mark's a senior. He's on 55, and he's an offensive guard and defensive tackle.
All right, so what goes through your mind when you're watching your boys play?
It's an incredibly proud feeling. I mean, it's magic stuff. I was fortunate enough, my older son was playing last year as well, so for a brief period of time, 3 guys on the team. But, you work really hard as a parent to raise them. It's a great community, and this is kind of fruition of it all, so great teamwork.
Now, we know it's a big game, Adams and Rochester. Any extra motivation the boys talking about this week? Is this an important game on their schedule?
I think the words crosstown showdown are like emboldened and painted in blood in our house, So yeah, this is a big game every year. We're really looking forward to it.
And it's going well so far. How do the boys celebrate after a big win?
There's definitely food involved, and you know, I try to connect and just talk to them after the game a little bit, but then they're usually doing a sleepover. Something not too crazy. They'll have football tomorrow morning, which is a good thing. So
That's what he thinks.
Yeah,
he thinks
right.
it's all a controlled celebration with just food and good fun. Well, hopefully it is. It's going to be a great game. Congratulations. I know your boys have had a couple touchdowns this year already, so keep up the good work.
Great.
And stay tuned. Should be a great second half.
Thank you.
Okay, we are here with the Soldiers of Fortune. That's how we do it here. Who's going to win tonight?
Oh, Rochester!
What can you make these guys do?
Hey, who's gonna win tonight? Rochester! Who's gonna win tonight? Rochester!
There you have it. St. Frank exclusive.
Ladies and gentlemen, your Rochester
Rochester Adams. The man here, I don't know what we got going on here. What
Yo,
is
this is chicken soup.
Tell me about the chicken soup.
I don't know. I found it in the student's hand, so I got it.
Hey, I got one question. Who's going to win tonight?
I'll tell you, my voice is